In 1932, a young man left his home with a dream in his heart and 400 rupees in his pocket and set out on a journey that would one day change the lives of lakhs of Indians. He believed in his ability to realize his dreams and wanted to establish a business empire unlike any other. Within a year, he set up a sugar mill near Delhi. His determination paved the way for a multitude of industries till it was to become an industrial city that today goes by the name of Modi Nagar. Rai Bahadur Gujarmal Modi founded the Modi Group of companies, and in a few short years he was awarded the Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan Gujarmal Modi had left such a business foundation for his children that today it is one of the biggest business groups in India. Rai Bahadur Gujarmal Modi's eldest son, Shri K.K. Modi, joined him in 1963 and successfully made forays in agro, consumer goods, IT, chemicals and entertainment. And in doing so, earned a name for himself in Indian industry. In 1992, Samir Modi left his home with a dream in his heart and began a journey that would one day change the lives of lakhs of Indians. He dreamt of providing every Indian an opportunity to create wealth. After considerable research, he realized that the business of direct selling would enable every Indian to create wealth and achieve success. Samir Modi believed that there is no force on earth that can stop an idea whose time has come. On the 30th of March 1996, Modi Care was born.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं समीर मोदी, मोदी केयर का फाउंडर। मैं चाहता हूं कि हर एक हिंदुस्तानी को कामयाबी का मौका दूं, ताकि आप अपनी जिंदगी शान से जी सकें और आने वाली पीढ़ियों की किस्मत बदल दें। ठीक वैसे ही जैसे मेरे दादाजी राय बहादुर गुजरमल मोदी ने मेरी किस्मत बदली। इस खानदानी विरासत के साथ मैं बिजनेस की दुनिया में आपका स्वागत करता हूं और पेश करता हूं मोदी केयर।